caregiver Wang, and today I'm going to show you the range of motion exercises. Okay. First, hi mom. We're going to do the range of motion, different kind of range of motion. Okay. We will move this pillow so it will be out of the way once we do the exercise. Okay. First, we will do the shoulder flexion and extension. Flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Okay, next we will do the abduction and adduction. Okay, abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction, abduction, and adduction, abduction, adduction. Then we will do the internal and external. Internal, external. Internal, external. Internal, external. Internal, external. Internal, external. Then the elbow flexion and extension. Flexion, extension. Flexion, extension. Flexion, extension. Flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Then the supination and the pronation. Nation, 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 pronation, nation, pronation, supination, pronation, pronation, pronation. Then we'll do the wrist flexion and extension. Okay. Then circle. Okay, and we will do the finger flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. We will do the thumb, flexion, extension, and extension, flexion, extension. Okay, for the hip and leg range of motion exercises, first, flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Then we will do the abduction and adduction. Abduction, 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 adduction, abduction, 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 abduction. Okay. Then after we'll do external reflection and external tension. Okay. External rotation and internal rotation. And you also can do this. Internal, external, internal, external, internal, external, internal, external, internal, external. So heel to bottom, then the ankle range of motion. caregiver Wing, and today I'm going to show you how to help the patient to turn and position in the bed. We all know that in the hospital there's a rail in the bed, so first we have to put down the rail so we can move freely while turning the patient. Okay, and also we have to introduce ourselves to the patient and inform her what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to start now. Okay, hello ma'am, how are you doing? Okay, I'm your caregiver for today. I'm Wang. So today I'm going to help you to turn and position in the bed. Is that okay with you? Okay, first, okay, you have to put your hands here and I'll just get a pillow. Then when I count to 3, I'm going to push you to the left side. Okay, is that okay, ma'am? Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So once we push the patient, we have to put a pillow here as a supporter. So we will get another pillow and put between her legs to support her. Okay. And before I forgot, when we do that, we have a throw sheet under the patient, so it will help us to move the patient easily. Okay, and after that, we will move again the patient, ma'am. We will push you again to the left side. Okay, a little strong push. So okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. So the patient turn to the side. So we don't have to need this pillow because she perfectly turned and positioned on the bed. So we have to check if the patient is very comfortable. So we have to move her pillow. So do you feel comfortable, ma'am? Yeah. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you. Okay, before we start getting the vital signs of an elderly person, we have to wash our hands first and sanitize all the materials. Okay, first, by the way, this is Ariana. She will be my patient for today and she will act as an elderly person. And first, we have to inform and introduce ourselves to the patient. Hi, ma'am. How are you? Good. Today we're going to get your vital sign. Is that okay with you? Yeah. Okay. So first, we're going to get her blood pressure, and we will need a stethoscope and sphygmometer. Okay. So when we get a blood pressure of a patient, have to put up the arm. We'll put the sphygmometer to the arm of the patient. So it should be 2 fingers from the artery. Okay, and we will put the stethoscope and look for her pulse. Okay. The normal blood pressure of an elderly person is 120/80 or less than 80. blood pressure is 100 over 80. So that's normal. Next, we're going to get her pulse rate. So, when we get a pulse rate, we should check the pulse from here, going here, and we will feel her pulse, and we will count in 1 minute. Get it for 1 minute, and we're going to get for 30 seconds times 2. And the pulse rate, normal pulse rate of an elderly person is 60 to 100 beat per minute. So our pulse rate is 82 beats per minute. So for respiratory rate, we'll just look. We'll just look her chest, the rise and falls of the chest, and her back. So we will count again for 30 seconds times 2 to get her respiratory rate. The normal respiratory rate of an elderly person is 12 to 16 breath per minute. So her respiratory rate is 14, so it's normal. So now we're going to get her body temperature by using a thermometer. So we can do the temporal, oral, and axillary. So we're going to do the axillary. So we have to turn on the thermometer and put it to the axillary of the patient. And we will wait for the beep of the thermometer, so we will get the result. The normal body temperature of elderly person is 36.1 Celsius to 37.2 Celsius. Okay, so that her body temperature is 36.7, so it's normal. So when we get the pain rating of the patient, we will ask her if she's in pain. We will ask her to rate it from 1 to 10. From 0 to 1 to 10. Ma'am, are you in pain?
No.
So it's 0. Okay. So that's how we get the vital signs of an elderly person. That's for today. Thank you.